Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, a little bit of everything. There's some plasma cutting, an aluminium gearbox repair, and I also machined some bronze, another part for the World Sentinel DG8 steam wagon, a little adapter valve or a bit of bronze. I'm sure you'll find that interesting. There's not been a great lot happening in the shop this week. It's been bloody cold. I'm just kind of wondering when the spring and the summer's going to get here. There was actually a white frost on the car yesterday morning, quite amazing. The Wednesday catch-up videos are going quite well. I've been showing some of my favourite videos from years ago, mainly casting videos. That's a lot of videos. I think there's nearly 3,000 videos I've got online. If there's any subject you really want us to cover that I've already done, just say that so I can dig them out. There is some interesting stuff there. It's amazing how things change and how I've changed. Unbelievable anyway. That's the flange we've just cut out of the 10mm plate. I've got a centre hole there, or a centre mark there. There's a hole to be bored in there in the lathe, and I need to drill and tap 2 5/8 little holes in each end. I'm going to use a dial to mark it out. I have got a line through the centre, so I'll be able to follow that just to make sure that we are on the line there. It's important that they're in line. It's important that they're exactly 100mm apart, which is 50 from each centre. Yeah, that's pretty good. We'll tighten that up. Mark the centre one. I'll use that later on to set up the 4-jaw chuck and then drill them. I think it's 13.5 is the tapping drill for 5/8 Whitworth. Right, so we need to go 51 way, we'll go that way first. So as I'm working with somebody else's sizes, he said it was need to be 100mm apart, so I can only go off what he says. Right, 50 that way. Excellent. I've definitely seen better days. Definitely. go in there all right. I'll try going forwards, John. Right, so it's now the centre hole. So all we'll do is we'll bring your tailstock in and pick up that hole there. Just chuck those on a little bit more. Bastard. Right. Bring that in and just pick up that centre point like that, and if we carefully tighten these up, it's going to give you a really good starting point to have it running nice and true. You need to make sure that it is flat on those jaws there, which it is, so that face is running true. Great. Then what we'll do is put another centre in to there. Bring your tailstock centre into that one. We'll put a clock gauge on there and see how good we've got it. It looked good. Clumsy bastard, you. $15 thou. So we'll find a high point, which is that one there. We'll loosen off the fore jaw, nip that one up. Getting better. Once you get high jaw, loosen that one off a little bit, tighten that one up. Getting somewhere near now. High one is that one. A couple of thou. Loosen that one up slightly, tighten that one, still 2 thou. I think we'll settle for that. I can't get enough leverage with that chuck key really for what I want to do. Much better. Make sure you're all lipped up nice and tight. Right, we'll definitely settle for that. It's actually just about there. See how it seals on there, on that face there, moves around, you find the point where it wants to be. Once you go a little bit deeper, I think I've got the angle pretty good.